I've arrived on this sunny morning here in Nottingham for the grand opening of the 5th Tile Mountain store. They are growing. I've been a part of the company now for over 7 years as the proud brand ambassador, and I've watched the company grow bigger and bigger and spread its wings to Bathroom Mountain and even Floor Mountain as well, with a total of 8 stores around the UK. And of course, they've got the online presence. Well, hello and a good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 5th Tile Mountain store open here in Nottingham. I'm Craig Phillips, the brand ambassador. Lots going on this opening weekend. Goodie bags we're giving away and even 10% off all of your orders. So make sure you get down this grand opening weekend. So without any further ado, 3, 2, 1, open. Thank you. And this new Nottingham store really is huge. It's got thousands of styles for indoors and outdoors to suit everybody's budget, from ceramic, quartz, mosaic, porcelain, quarry, quartz, natural stones and even glass feature tiles, with the odd one that has a mirror in it. Now, it's always a fun-packed day when we do store openings, but I still get the chance to get the odd tile demonstration in. With hundreds of state-of-the-art display tile boards, you really are spoiled for choice. And there'll always be a friendly member of staff at hand to help you through the selection process. The huge success and growth of Tile Mountain has led on to Bathroom Mountain being opened, and stores like this normally have about 20 different displays for you to choose from. And if it's not tiles that you choose to have on your floor, there is always Flooring Mountain, which has a vast range of various different wooden floors to laminates to luxury vinyl tiles, as well as a wide variety of tile trims and accessories to suit your choice. Now, Tile Mountain serve both the public and the trade, but if you're looking to do it yourself and just need some extra trade tips, you can always check out our videos on Tile Mountain's YouTube channel. A visit to Tile Mountain really is a day out for the family, and there's even a play area in the corner for the kids to keep them amused while you're browsing around the store. And if you can't get into a local store near you, you can always visit the website tilemountain.co.uk, where you can order a tile sample of your choice completely free of charge, delivered to your home.